Dr. Kalyani Karkare, neurologist at Sagar Hospitals, Bangalore. One of the things as a neurologist we see in practice is something called as seizures, or commonly known as fits or convulsions. Actually, in our brain, normally there is an electrical current which is running around, and because of which we can talk, we can move, and we can think. But when this electrical current becomes excessive or spreads through abnormal pathways, that is the time when people get fits or seizures. So it is basically an excessive abnormal electrical current. So the common misconception which people have when they get fits is they would hand over a key, or they would try to find an iron object, or they will try to give onion or a footwear. So these are the misconceptions because we haven't understood what fit is actually. Also, it's important that there is a lot of stigma around seizures or fits, as if it is the patient's fault to have fits. Fits can occur in a normal person and it can be completely cured in some of them. It can be controlled in many of them, and in selected group even a surgical treatment is available. It is important to visit the neurologist when there is a suspicion of a seizure or a fit. It is also important that many disorders where patient may lose consciousness may look like seizure or fit, but they may not be. So it is important to differentiate that to avoid unnecessary tests and medications. At Sagar Hospital, we are equipped with dealing with all kinds of epilepsies, seizures, as well as the surgical aspect of it. Thank you.